This 2024 Dynamax Corp isata 534DS is a Super CRV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dynamax Corp is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features a Crescent, Milano interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 78 gallons fresh water capacity. The floorplan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Dynamax Corp isata 534DS is built on a Ram 5500 SLT chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.